Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be playing some Happy Wheels, so let's get straight into it. So let's click play. Wait, no, that's not what we're supposed to click. We need to click browse levels. Okay guys, this is gonna be so cool. Let's get to it. Okay. I'm just gonna quickly start off with a don't move one. Don't move. Don't move. I should see what comes up. Don't move insane? What? Don't move insane? What? Oh my god. I'm literally not touching anything. That one was cool. I love that. That was 5 stars. 5 stars. Absolutely. Yep, 5 stars. 5 stars. Awesome job. Let's see. Do you guys actually want to see one of the levels that I created? Ready? Impossible. Wait, we'll just say Cade by level name, by author name, Cade K08. That's my username right now. Using these. No, not newest. Not by newest, by just oldest. I have made a few. I've made a few. I have made some. That's not fair. Why isn't no one showing up? Wait, count. Okay, wait. Why aren't search for author name, level name? See if anyone's made one for me. Cade Kearney. Let's see if anyone has made one for me. No, okay then. Great. Oh yeah, sorry, I need to move you guys back up here. And now, hello you people. Hello. Okay, so I have decided actually for this video to, that's Adobe again. Adobe, behave yourself. Adobe. We need to right click, and then we need to close window. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But, ready? Watch this. Let's just, if you click on level editor, watch. I can create my own levels. So, I actually I forgot how to do this actually. Oh yeah, so your grandpa stays there. And then if you go onto, I think, shapes, it lets you go into like rectangles. And it's gonna uplock a little rectangle there and grab this, moves it down a little bit. Oh, that's a little bit bumpy, but we can never go. Now we'll do a triangle. So let's place down a triangle there, and then we'll go on to a circle. No, I'm not that mean. Oh, and by the way, look, you can adjust the width. We can go like 30 by 10. 30 by 10, enter. Look, and now it's just a really tiny, thin little platform. It's just kind of funny to really just mess around, I guess. And then if you go into like here, you can get characters, non-player character. Okay. We'll place 2 grandpas here. Or we'll just place down a few grandpas. That's so funny. So let's place down some grandpas. And then let's go on to... Don't need a finish line. Yeah, I guess we could place like a token or something. But first we need to go back onto this, get this again. And then now we can go back onto this, grab the tokens and put a few tokens down. They won't make it win. It's just fun to grab tokens. Just put as many as I can. Okay. Go. Okay. So you can go, if you go, hazards is like harpoons, arrow guns. So like right about, wait a second. Oh, and also you can test your level. I forgot how to test it. Test level. Okay, so now I'm inside my level. Okay, I'm inside the level. Okay, now I gotta try and get over this. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm holding in this. Yeah, and now we just click forward. So we just need the grandpa. Behave yourself. And if you press control, you should be able to actually rotate his things. His jets. There we go. So now if we go forwards as fast as we can, now press space. Yeah, he's got jets. He's got jets. He's got jets. He's got jets. He's got... That's crazy. Okay. So many grandpas. Now, let's just press control again, and now we can go, whee! Oh, grandpa doing flips, buddy. No, grandpa, don't die on me. Yes, grandpa. Behave yourself. Oh, grandpa, jeez, you doing flips. So now we just press control. He should just go up completely. So now, ready? Now you hold in space. Okay, I'm dead. So, turns out, so I'm just going to delete this. How do you delete? Capacity, yeah. Capacity, yeah. I forgot. How do I? I forgot how to delete. Subdot. Polytool, no. Art tool. No idea what this is. Let's just go like this. And then like this. And then like this. And I can't work out. And down like this, down like this, down, 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 down. And down, and down, and down, and down, and down. Just like that. So now if we click on this tool here, you can just like guys, I'm gonna have to end off the video soon. I'm so sorry. I'm not okay. Here's the level. So now if we go back onto this and then we go back, yay. Here we go. There's a little tiny. So now you can just kill the grandpas. This is just a very simple one. We're going to end off. I'm going to do a whole new one in the next video. Well, or we could just add on to this. It just depends. So, now if we go back onto this, you can move my face cam back up there. Now, we can go on to finish line. What?
I'm gonna peel it off. Come on.
I'm recording a video.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry guys, I was just my sister. Now, let's very quickly see what this level's like. So, this level is pretty much just, you just go forwards, I guess. Yes. Push a bunch of grandpas over. I guess that's like all this level is, really. Okay, this is running very slowly. I just want to... Is it ready? Am I dead? My FPS so slow. Why aren't my jets working? Okay guys, I'm gonna have to fix all this later. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that like button pretty please. And as always, stay Gucci. See you guys. Bye.